Now, on another matter, Madam President, yesterday, as we all know, was a consequential one for the Senate. In the end, we restored to this body a tradition Democrats first upset in 2003 by using a tool Democrats first employed in 2013. As a result, we'll move to the confirmation of Judge Gorsuch shortly. He's going to make an incredible addition to the court. He's going to make the American people proud. After all, at this point, a few things about this man seem beyond dispute. He has sterling credentials, an excellent record, and an ideal judicial temperament. He has the independence of mind and reputation for fairness. He's also earned plaudits from so many across the political spectrum. President Obama's former acting Solicitor General lauded Judge Gorsuch as one of the most thoughtful and brilliant judges to have served our nation over the last half-century. While President Obama's legal mentor called Judge Gorsuch a brilliant, terrific guy who would do the court's work with distinction. An appointee of President Clinton's, Judge James Robertson, said Judge Gorsuch is superbly well qualified, well prepared, and well qualified to serve as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. There's no real dispute about that. An appointee of President Carter's, Judge John Kane, perhaps summed it up best when he said, "I'm not sure we could expect better than Judge Gorsuch, or that better presently exists." In other words, no one is better. And of course, we all know what longtime Democrat and board member of the left-leaning American Constitution Society, David Frederick, had to say about Judge Gorsuch. The Senate should confirm him because there is no principal reason to vote no. No principal reason to vote no. There's a reason Neil Gorsuch enjoys the support of a bipartisan majority of the Senate. There's a reason that a bipartisan majority stands ready to confirm him today. He's an exceptional choice, and I'm very much looking forward to confirming him today. Of course, I wish that important aspects of this process had played out differently. It didn't have to be this way, but today is a new day. I hope my Democratic friends will take this moment to reflect and perhaps consider a turning point in their outlook going forward. The Senate has a number of important issues to consider in the coming months. Each member, if he or she chooses, can play a critical part in the process. I would urge colleagues to consider the role they can play and ask them to consider what we've been able to achieve in years past by working together, including the numerous bipartisan accomplishments of the last Congress. Because as we all know, the Senate does more than confirm Supreme Court nominees, although I sure am looking forward to confirming this one.